In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and use Delta Executor on Windows using Mumu Player. If you're trying to download and use Delta Executor on a Windows PC via Mumu Player, you are likely aiming to run Roblox mobile scripts through an Android emulator. While Delta Executor is mainly designed for Windows and Roblox desktop use, this guide walks you through how to combine Mumu Player, that is an Android emulator, with Delta Executor or similar tools for a smoother PC experience, especially when mobile behavior is needed. Start by downloading Mumu Player, the Android emulator developed by NetEase. Visit the official Mumu Player website in here in your favorite browser. Now, download the latest version for Windows and follow the installer prompts to set it up. Once installed, launch Mumu Player and sign in to your Google account. This gives you access to the Play Store where you can install Roblox or any other necessary apps. Next, you'll need to install Roblox Mobile inside the emulator. Simply search for Roblox in the Google Play Store within Mumu Player. Go ahead and install it. Now, sign in to your Roblox account. You now have the mobile version of Roblox running inside a virtual Android device on your PC. Now, regarding Delta Executor, it's important to note that it's a Windows based executor, not an Android APK. That means you cannot install or run Delta Executor directly inside Mumu Player. Instead, what some users do is use Mumu Player for testing mobile environments while running Delta or other exploit tools outside the emulator on the Windows side. If your goal is to run mobile scripts or test exploit compatibility, you have two options. Use a mobile script executor APK inside Mumu Player like Hydrogen, or stay on PC and use Delta Executor with the desktop version of Roblox, which is what Delta is built for. It's better to run Roblox normally on Windows and attach Delta to that session for full functionality. So to turn it up, you can use Mumu Player to emulate Roblox Mobile, but if you want to use Delta Executor, it's best done outside the emulator with a desktop version of Roblox. For mobile-based scripting inside Mumu, go with a mobile executor APK instead. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.